Skin is clean. This is what I really look like. Hi, I'm Tash Sefton. I am a style curator and a fashion tastemaker, and I'm a little bit of an artist on the side. Today, I am here to talk about my Mecca skin. So something that I've learned over the years is that food really affects my skin. So I stopped having dairy and eating meat because I used to get these severe breakouts and never really understood why. And as soon as I cut that out, my skin completely changed. So with my skin routine, it's also really simple. Having 2 kids means that I sort of focus more on them than myself. And I also love the sensory of skincare. So things that smell nice, how they make me feel. I like having glowing skin. So literally, it's okay for me not to wear makeup if I have great skin. All right, so my nighttime skin routine, here we go. Rings off, pull my hair back. I'm very much into face oils and using oil products to clean my skin. It's changed my life. So I've just started using this Tatcha Camellia cleansing oil. It's a really beautiful product. It's from Japan. You actually clean your skin with dry hands and a dry face. I use 2 pumps, and the great thing about this oil is it actually takes off eye makeup, like even mascara, which you wouldn't normally think it would take off. So I just massage it into my skin. It feels amazing, by the way. I just rinse my muslin wrap with warm water, and you can use it to take off your makeup. So the next part of my skin regime is I'm a double cleanser. Some people don't double cleanse, but I definitely do. This is Drunk Elephant. So I've recently just discovered this brand and I'm absolutely loving it. So it actually is just really good at cleaning my skin after my oil cleanser. So normally I'm in the shower and I'm doing this, so my face is probably already a bit wet. And you can see it kind of lathers up a bit. I'm really into having like super clean skin. I love that sort of tight feeling after you clean your skin. So again, you can use your muslin wraps or you can just rinse your face under the shower. Sometimes I love putting these under like boiling hot water and then like just going like this. Oh, it feels so nice. Skin is clean. This is what I really look like. I'm addicted to masks. And this one is Omorovitsa. It's pretty hard to say. I hope I've said that right. Nothing beats like after a shower, just chilling out with a mask on your face. So this one's quite calming. And I like this one because it really cleans my pores. So you don't actually need that much. I don't know if this is the right way, but I just put it like on my fingertips like that. And then you don't need to really apply a thick layer. You just need to make sure that your face is covered. So it's sort of tingling at the moment, but it's not too stressful. It's quite relaxing. With the extra, I also use it on my neck. So then I wait about 15-20 minutes. And the trick to this mask is you take it off when it's not too dry. So it sort of feels a bit wet just before you take it off. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes and it's still a little bit wet. So it's time to take it off, even though it feels really nice. Take it off. Oh my God, it feels so nice. Okay, so we have double cleansed. We've done a mask and we've relaxed. La Mer. So I started using La Mer a few years ago when I was able to afford it because I'd heard so much about it, and I am officially addicted because it's actually a beautiful product. The range is incredible. So the treatment lotion, this you put on before you use your serums and your moisturizer, because what it does is it opens up the pores, ready to take all the goodness of serums and oils. I usually just dab it like that, put it in my hands, and then like that. It's just sort of subtly working. It doesn't feel like it's, I don't know, stinging or anything. It just feels really nice. All right, to serum or not to serum? And to face oil. So people were saying, oh, you don't use a serum with an oil or whatever, but I actually do and think that it works really well because the serum is for deeper in your skin and then the oils sit on top. So they're for two different things. So for my serum, I use the Drunk Elephant Hydra Serum. A lot of people think that this is a moisturizer, but it's actually not. And also I use this when I'm flying. So throughout the flight, I always apply my serum and my face oil to keep my skin really hydrated throughout the long flight. I use 2 pumps. It goes, you don't need a lot because it goes quite a long way. Then, probably my most favorite product is face oils. So this is the Rodin face oil, and it is such a beautiful oil, and it really revolutionized the whole face oil phenomenon. It is expensive, but it's not just a face oil, it's actually like a calming process as well. So you smell it. And then when you put it on, I put it in sort of in an upwards motion. So some of my friends, they sort of do like a little bit of a massage with this oil, but I don't have time for massaging. So right now I feel amazing because my skin is really clean, and then I have this sort of dewy glow, and I would go out like this. But if I'm at home, the last step to this process is eye cream. And the reason I use eye cream is because as I'm getting older, I'm getting a few wrinkles under there, and I just feel like I need some love under there, so when I wake up I don't have sort of puffiness or any darkness. So this is the La Mer eye cream. Again, such a beautiful product, but you really don't need very much. So I've had this tub for like, I don't know, a year, because you just need like such a small amount. I just pat it. Even though you probably want to use the whole thing over your whole face. I just pat it, just a little bit. So this is my Mecca skin, and this is me, cleansed skin, ready for bed.